Hello everybody, this is Paulette Scurry from the Friedman Branch Library. We're going to do a continuation of our container gardening, which we started back in July. Today I will be talking about plants that we can use in the fall. Plants that are cool weather, cold weather hardy. Today in this container I have purple fountain grass, which is a grass that can be used in the summer and the fall as well. It blooms in the summer and it blooms in the fall. And I've also added some other cool weather plants to this garden. There is a whitish, yellowish pansy, which is a pretty plant that comes in a variety of colors. Comes in blues, purples, yellows, and oranges. Also, we have a purple mom. The purple mom is a chrysanthemum, and it grows in cool weather as well. The next we have is a dusty miller. This is a nice accent plant that gives your container color and some texture. Oh yes, texture. And the final one is a yellow mom, which commands attention. Everyone loves a yellow mom because they grow big and pretty and they just show out. Okay, this container, I put things together that kind of like the same care. Everything in here likes full sun, and it can be watered twice a week. We also have some vegetables that can be grown in containers as well. We have the collards. Since the collards, due to the fact that the collards grow kind of big, you only want to put one in a container, maybe a 5-gallon bucket. Same thing with the lettuce, romaine lettuce. It can be grown in a container as well. It takes the romaine lettuce about 30 days to get full mature leaves. 75 days it'll get a head on it, and then you can harvest it. We also have cauliflower, which is something new I tried this year. I'm still waiting to see how it turns out, but it takes it about 60 days to mature, but it's very good. The next thing we have is a cabbage. We can also put a cabbage in a container, one plant per container. And when the cabbage is ready to be harvested, it becomes very firm, and you can tell by squeezing it. We also have broccoli, which is I didn't like broccoli in the past, but I love it now. Broccoli is very good to grow in a container as well, and it's ready to harvest when it turns green, dark green. If you let it stay in the container too long, it'll turn yellow and starts to seed. The next thing we have is some beets. The beets will grow in a container as well, and when you know they're ready, when they turn dark red, and you can pull them and they're ready to go.